welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to introduce you to this Slim Fit case by Torras. And this is for the Samsung Galaxy S22 series phone. This is the slimmest case I think you will possibly ever find for this phone that also still offers great protection. You can kind of maybe see there just how thin this is, just how slim it is, and yet it will offer protection. You can see it's got those cutouts for you. It's got this nice premium coating on the back. It does not show fingerprints at all, but it also gives you a nice comfortable touch. It feels good in the hand and a good grip. So let's put it on the phone here so we can check it out on the phone and see exactly how it works. All right, now we got it on the phone there. And yeah, you can see it does not add anything to the phone. I mean, having this case on the phone or having it off the phone, the grip is exactly the same. It does not add any bulk at all, but it gives you protection. Not only is it giving you protection from scratching, obviously, because it's your surface of your phone is now covered, but look at this. You've got this nice raised bezels around the camera, so the cameras or camera lenses are going to be protected. You've got the same thing when you jump over to the front of the phone. You can see this, it's just slightly raised edge to help give you protection for your front screen, so that's great. You've got all the cutouts that you need. You've got your cutouts for your speaker and your Type-C and everything right there. You've got cutouts on the top here for what I think is a microphone. You've got great buttons here on the side here. Still have easy access to all your buttons, work just like they do without a cover. So really, really, really excellent. Now what I also like is look here on the bottom. You can see on the corners there's a little cutout. And what that does is that offers protection because this is such a thin case. But they still want to give you protection. So this way, if you were to drop your phone and it were to hit on the corner, there's nothing right there to put pressure on the most sensitive spot of dropping a phone. So that's really, really, really excellent. Again, this is a great case by Torras. It is a slim fit case that gives you the right amount of protection that you need with the raised lips around the camera in the front and all the cutouts and great grip and just looks really good. No fingerprints, but at the same time does not add any bulk to your phone at all. Completely slim fit case. Really, really excellent case by Torras. If you're looking for a slim fit case that adds no bulk but gives you protection to your Galaxy S22, then this is definitely the case for you. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this case, please share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it. Until next time, so be safe and be happy.